In this video, I'm going to help you optimize your Facebook profile to get better engagement and more leads. Use sales copy that is clear and concise, short and to the point. Keep this extremely simple. It's easy for people to hop over to your profile, scroll through your information, and see that you don't have results. Then you look untrustworthy. If you are making money, then you can put it in the results and talk about the numbers there. Digital marketing and affiliate marketing is not a scam, so it must be treated with respect. Never put links in your profile for the products that you are promoting. First of all, someone might not like the product that you're selling, so they'll move right past your page. Second is because maybe you have several products that you're selling, and there might be a different product that is a better fit for that individual that might solve their problem. Another reason not to add the link to your profile is because people can simply go and Google that product and buy it there. You never want to give them any reason to leave your profile or your page. Another good reason is because if you have the link to the product that you're promoting, well then other businesses and other individuals will pitch to you. So frustrating. What's okay to put in your profile? Your messenger link. This is social media and you want others to message you. This is how you get to know people, chat with people, and you can close the sale in Messenger. Phone calls or Zoom calls are acceptable as well. As far as your bio goes, keep that as simple as possible. Clearly state who you are helping and how you can help them. Follow these simple guidelines and watch your business grow. Thanks for watching.